Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan, MJ of hotels. And today we're going to be talking about hotel reservations and hotel reservation sales, how to increase your revenue with hotel reservations.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. Most importantly, when it comes to hotel reservations, there isn't a lot of training that's being done, and a lot of it is being done, when it comes to reservations. You have call centers, and then you have people that are at the front desk taking calls. Both parties need to be trained. All right, you have to train both parties. You can't just throw someone at the front desk, and then you're seeing your revenues just not where they should be, and then next thing you know, like, hold on. Maybe I should have trained this guy to sell, and my numbers wouldn't be looking like this. So the first thing that you want to do when it comes to selling on the phone with reservations is you never give a definitive number. You never give a definitive rate. All right, that's number one. When someone asks how much is your rate, you give them a range because you do not know what they want. They may want more than a room. You don't know what room type they're looking for. They've seen a room type online. It could have been an upgraded room that they've seen online, and you're quoting them a standard room rate. So when you're giving out numbers over the phone, over the telephone, you give a range of numbers. Our rates are between $150 to $250, whatever the case may be. If your highest rate is $300, your range is, and your lowest rate is $100, your rate range is $100 to $300. That's your rate range, and that's what you tell the guests on the phone. Because one, it lets them know where they're at, and two, it piques their interest. So they want to know what's the difference between the room that's $100 and $300. The longer you keep them on the phone, the more likely you're able to close the deal. Second thing you don't want to do is you don't want to give your immediate inventory. Immediate inventory. What does that mean? If you tell it, let's say you have one reservation, one room available that's a basic room, and all your other rooms are upgrade rooms. Why would you tell a guest, oh, our rate is going to be $100 for our standard room, knowing you only have one left? That makes no sense. What you want to tell a guest is, all we have is upgrade rooms. Because at the end of the day, this is the hotel business. That one room that you have left will probably be gone as soon as you hang up the phone. That one room that you have left will be gone as soon as you try to book it, because it's on every channel in the world. Okay, it's on the GDS, it's on the OTA, it's on your Eternal website, it's on everywhere. So the likelihood of that one room being available by the time you're ready to book it is damn near impossible. That is your position. When you're working reservations, your job is to get the right guest, the right room at the right price. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a higher price, because we're living in the days where people know that they're really starting to realize, especially after COVID, listen, I got one life to live. I'm going to be happy at this moment. I don't care what it costs. This place makes me happy. This location makes me happy. I'm going to get the massages. I'm going to get the tours. I'm going to get everything, because I don't know if I'm going to be here tomorrow. I guarantee you, if I die tomorrow, I'm not going to say, man, I should have got a better discount at that hotel room. No, if I die tomorrow, I'm going to say, man, I lived and I was happy, and I'm so glad I got that upgrade because I deserved it, and I got it when I was there, and I enjoyed myself. That's what you're here to do. You're here to make sure that they enjoy themselves. Not to be Walmart. You're not here to be Dollar Tree. You're not here to be Dollar General. All right. You're here to make sure they enjoy themselves. Those are some of the tips and tricks that help you sell and sell more upgrades and get the best rate for your great guests at the best price. And you, as always, if you want to know some more about some of these tips and tricks, go check out our book, The Hotel Revenue Bible. Yes, this book is a blessing. I've turned hotel revenue into a religion, and I wrote the Bible for it. So when it comes to the hotel revenue, I'm the Pope. All right, I'm the Pope of the hotel revenue. So go check out my Bible. And as always, you know what we're here to do. We're here to make your revenues rise up once again.